Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to close tabs in Safari on iOS 18. To clear tabs, go to Safari and then you can click here on the tabs icon to see all the open tabs. Let's open a few. And then let me show you how to close them. To close them, just swipe them or click on an X, and if you want to close all of the opened ones, press and hold on Done. Then click on close all 5 or any number you have tabs. And now it opens just the default page, but you can see anything else is closed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.